a battery connected to a capacitor of capacity 20 microfarad, means across capacitor we will connect a battery, is charged to a potential of 35 volt, potential difference across capacitor, it is 35 volt. The battery is disconnected and a pure inductor of coil 200 millihenry, means inductance of coil 200 millihenry is connected across capacitor, so that LC oscillation takes place, so that LC oscillations are set up, LC oscillations are set up. Then what we have to find? The maximum current in this circuit is, remember here we are having a capacitor of 20 microfarad. First it is connected across a battery and discharged till the potential difference across capacitor becomes 35 volt, and then it is disconnected and connected across, and then it is connected across an inductor. When it is connected across inductor, then LC oscillations are set up, LC oscillations are set up. So when LC oscillations are set up means current in the circuit is maximum, and as LC oscillations are set up, it means maximum energy in capacitor. What is the condition for LC oscillation? Maximum energy in capacitor is equal to, maximum energy in capacitor is equal to maximum energy in, maximum energy in inductor, maximum energy in inductor L. What is the maximum energy in capacitor? Maximum energy in capacitor is half CV square, and maximum energy in inductor is half L into I square, half L into I square. So this 1 by 2 on both sides get cancelled, and we are having I square is equal to CV square divided by I square, CV square divided by R square, or current I taking square root on both sides. So current I is equal to here V by I. So current I is equal to, here it is, so CV square divided by L, sorry, CV square divided by L. So I equal to V square is taken outside, so it is V under root of C divided by L. Current I is equal to V into C divided by L, potential difference of 35. Value of capacitor is what? Capacitor is of value 20 microfarad, means 20 into 10 raised to minus 6 upon inductor. Inductor is of value what? 200 millihenry, means it is 200 into 10 to the power minus 3. 200 into 10 to the power minus 3. So that is equal to 35 into, now under root of, see here, 20 and 200 means it is 10. 10 into 10 raised to minus 3 means 10 raised to minus 2. When it goes to numerator, it becomes 10 raised to plus 2. So 10 raised to 2 into 10 raised to minus 6. So this becomes 10 raised to minus 4, and when it is taken outside, it is 10 raised to minus 2. So 35 into 10 to the power minus 2, or it is equal to 0.35 ampere. So the maximum current that flows in the circuit, its value is 0.35 ampere. So you always remember one thing, that whenever there occurs LC oscillation, current in the circuit is maximum, and in this case that maximum current is 0.35 ampere. So option D is the correct option for this question.